After the ban on the Chinese tech giant Huawei, the company had decided that it would now become independent. They knew that if they want to survive in this market where United States of America created monopoly, they have to become independent, and I guess Huawei will achieve its goals by 2025. Because Huawei recently launched the Huawei P70 series in China, which is opening the next chapter of its development after the US sanctions. And guess what happened? A new teardown by Reuters in partnership with iFixed and TechSearch International shed light on the internals of the Huawei P70 Pro, and according to their reports, the new phone contains more locally sourced components than any of the company's previous phones. However, the P70 series still falls short of the current flagship models, particularly in terms of the chipset performance. Because the current 9010 chip is manufactured using the SMIC's 7nm chipset node, which is known as the N+2. Although it shares similar identifiers with the current 9000S, but still it is a newer addition. Industry experts note that while the new chip performs slightly better, it remains a 7nm process chipset, which is well behind the best currently in the market. However, SMIC, which made this 9010 chipset, is now expected to even release the 5nm technology by the end of this year, which is incredible. And guys, not only chipset, all these other components which were used in the Huawei P70 series are made domestically. Even some reports are saying that latest P70 series phones have 90% of the parts sourced locally from the Chinese suppliers. Yes, from the main chip to the screen, cases, battery and even cameras have been supplied by the Chinese suppliers. And for a minute, if we ignore the hardware side of the phone, Huawei is rapidly trying to become independent in the software side too. Because after the Harmony operating system, Huawei is making the Harmony operating system next, which will completely eliminate the use of the Android's APK files. Yes, after converting to the Harmony operating system next, Huawei phones will not accept Android APK files at all. So it looks like the Chinese tech giant has now found solutions to address supply chain challenges, particularly those related to the chipsets and other parts of the phones. So this was an important video to let you know, so I had to make this short video. So what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, the story continues and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.